Hi, I am Neelaranga, the DevOps engineer behind the Smart Resource Allocation. We built this platform to solve a real problem, especially in places like Andhra Pradesh where multiple NGOs are working, but often without coordination that leads to duplicated efforts in some areas and unmet needs in others. Our solution uses AI to connect needs, programs, and volunteers in real time. Let me show you the live demo. Let me quickly show you how it works. This is our live dashboard. Right now we are analyzing data from multiple NGOs programs across different regions. Here is the heat map. Areas in red show higher urgency and unmet needs. When we go deeper, you can see how our AI process survey data, whether it's text or images or forms, and instantly extracts needs. Each need is assigned a confidence score so NGOs can prioritize accurately. What's powerful here is that we are not just looking at one program, we are identifying patterns across all of them. That's how we catch issues that would normally go unnoticed. Now behind the Now behind the scenes, this is where DevOps comes in. Our backend is built with fast API and PostgreSQL, full containerized using Docker and deployed on Google Cloud. The front end is built with React and communicates in real time. Every code update goes through automated testing and CI/CD pipelines before deployment. In terms of performance, we are handling thousands of data points with sub-second response time. And based on our load testing, the system can scale up to 10 times the current usage without slowing down. And so we had zero downtime since launch. And the results are already visible. We have identified our resolution rate above 52% and volunteer utilization 25%, and we have helped over 1865 people, and overall allocation efficiency score is 24.8. Here you can see how volunteers are matched based on skills, location, and availability. The system keeps learning and improving these matches using intelligent scores algorithm. So over time it's keep just getting better. At its core, the platform shows how strong DevOps practices like automation, containerization, and monitoring are essential for building reliable AI systems. But with fast API, React, Docker, and Google Cloud, this is smart resource allocation. Thank you.